even have the tractor for it, too, don't you?
One of them. The other four at
Look at that container. Biomedical waste.
and 5 of them all together.
Those trailers, or those containers have extensions on them. Those FedEx ones. They started out as a 40-foot container. Triple Crown. There's a whole shitload of Triple Crown on here. No. The one has like a paint out underneath it. See that? Right underneath the Triple Crown. Warner Enterprises.
Ball runner. Here we
Drop
go.
bar. Yeah, there we go. Those are different types of cars. You can have different varieties of cars in the train.
Yeah, I got some ACFs.
Do you have any of the beam sides like that?
Beam sides, yeah. F89Js.
I'm probably going to get one with a derailed car. Put a derailed car on it. Martin.
89 footers, a couple 85s.
What's this car probably back up and go around the crossing gate? Dumbass.
Look at the muffler hanging
Got you
there.
on film, motherfucker. Would have been his fault if he would have got hit.